Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tanya of r.i.k.k.i.i.i.i and welcome to my very first unboxing video. So I guess it's just me today, no Reb. He's behind the camera making sure everything is okay. I am very excited because this is my very first external keyboard. I have never purchased anything like this before. I've always used the keyboard on my laptop. If you guys haven't seen it yet, we just posted a video of our unboxing of the MacBook Pro 16-inch. I want to keep it clean. I don't know, I want to keep it grease-free. I decided to get an external keyboard so it's easier when I work. I wanted to elevate the laptop when I'm using it so it's better on my back. I got the Logitech G Pro X. As far as my experience goes with keyboards, I've always liked the clicky kind. So I got the GX Blue Clicky version. Let's get started. At the back, it says 10 keyless, user swappable key switches, light sync RGB, onboard lighting profile, 12 programmable F keys, 1 ms report rate, and 6 feet detachable braided cable. And I got it for $6,495. I was actually looking at the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition because it looked really nice too, and I saw some really awesome reviews on it. One of the main reasons why I went with this one is because I wanted to streamline my stuff, because I do have the Logitech mouse, which is... What's my mouse again? The G604 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. Thank you. A little ASMR for you guys. And hey, they do have a sticker. Plus there's the cord. It's a USB-A to micro USB. The micro USB goes into the keyboard and this one goes into your laptop. We can replace each key on the keyboard and it comes with this tool to take the keys out if you want to replace them. I can hear it already. That is gorgeous, you guys! The sound of God typing your resume. Alright, before we move on, I'm just gonna let you guys hear the difference between the G Pro X keyboard and the G Pro, which Reb has. So I'm just gonna get that. What the f? This one right here on top is the G Pro X keyboard, while this one is the first one that came out. It's the G Pro, and I'm just gonna do a little sound test for you guys to see the difference. Thank you guys for joining me in my very first unboxing video. I'm honestly no expert when it comes to these things. I just really enjoy unboxing stuff. And you know, if I have inspired you in any way to buy this particular keyboard, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Hi guys! You thought it was just gonna be Tanya? It's Reb X Tanya after all. So this is Reb of Reb X Tanya. And I also have something to unbox. And I'm so excited to unbox this because there's a lot of it in this room. Are you ready? I am about to unbox this. This is Stranger Things Funko Pop 11 with Egos Chase. Well, this sticker looks like it's special. I don't know what Chase means. Well, here we go. Toys are meant to be played with. So I'm about to open it right now.
What are you doing?